Hey, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. You ring that bell, get all my videos. Like today's video. I'm making lunch. Listen, classical lunch. I'm going on a little picnic kind of thing today. Got to make lunch. Tuna fish, egg salad, chicken salad. That's the classic, right? I got to put that, I'm going to spin that on its head. And I'm going to make curry chicken salad. But I'm not using chicken. I'm using chickpeas. Awesome. Hey, let's get cooking. Hey, I'm using 2 cans. Awesome. I want to get this to the consistency of like a chicken salad. So I'm going to mash it, but not 100%. I want some chunks in it, just like chunks of chicken salad, right? Beautiful. Set that aside. And the first thing we got to put in the dressing is some mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's mayonnaise. I use no other mayonnaise but Hellmann's. And now I found Hellmann's has a vegan mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm using a half a cup of mayonnaise. Vegan mayonnaise. Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise. Now here's a special ingredient. Major Gray's chutney. Listen, buy a jar, open it up, smell it. You're going to find that this is really beautiful stuff. Sweet, savory, wonderful. Okay. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of chutney. Now we get to the curry powder. This is a Chinese curry powder. It's a little bit spicy. So normally, I might use, say, 3 tablespoons. Here I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Black pepper. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And a good pinch of salt. And we need a little acid in here, so the last thing I'm going to add is the juice of 1 lime. Okay, that's the juice of 1 lime. Now this dressing is going to seem a little thin. That's okay, because the chickpeas are going to thicken it up. Okay, now, very important. I have to taste this, especially for the amount of curry I put in. Alright, that's very good. I like that. It's sweet, it's sour, it's got that zesty kind of curry flavor, creaminess of the mayonnaise, wonderful. And for me, that's the perfect amount of curry. And if you want a little more, add a little more. Don't forget, you can't take curry out, so don't add too much to start with. Add a little less than you think you need. If it's good, leave it alone. If you need more, you can add a little more at a time. And taste in between each addition. Hey, I'm telling you that because I love you guys. Okay, let's put this all together, okay? So I want to put all the condiments first. And what I have here is about a half a cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of grated carrot, and about 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Put that all in there. Here I have about 1/3 cup of raisins. I'll sweeten things up a bit. I'm going to add half of it. And the reason why I add half of it, because I may not need the whole thing. And I know you can't take dressing out once you add it. So add half. Now it looks a little dry. I'm going to need all the dressing. Absolutely. Okay. Hey, this looks fantastic. That is wonderful. Needs just a little bit of something. Hey, a good pinch of salt. A little more pepper. And every time you add something to it, gotta taste it again. That's delicious. Okay, so it's called knickerbride. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Okay, anyway, what is this stuff? It's a flatbread. It's like a cracker. Okay, wonderful. And this is a chili and coriander flavored knickerbride. Okay, so it's made with all kinds of seeds and everything. It's toasted. It's wonderful. It's flavored with chili and coriander. This is that flavor. They got all kinds of flavors. I'm going to leave you a link in the description below. You can check it out yourself. Wonderful stuff. And with this salad, the curry, with the coriander and the chili flavored knickerbrod, hope I pronounced it correctly, it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful accompaniment. Check that out. I'm going in for seconds. Hey, that's really good. That's really wonderful. I make a vegan tuna fish from Chic Peas also. Really good. You gotta check that out. And I'll see you there. Don't forget to check out that knickerbrod flatbread. That's delicious.